Over the last 3 years, our laundry room has had some major DIY transformations and renovations, but it's all starting to come into the home stretch. So last I left you off, we had just drywalled most of the room, and now we are working towards building IKEA cupboards that we're gonna put over our freezer and mini fridge. Yeah. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, hello, I'm at IKEA. So fun. Back at the kitchen cabinets. What do we think of them? I kind of like that they have lines on them. That could be the walls. That kind of works quite well. And just a sec, this was the color I wanted to paint the cabinets. That's pretty friggin' similar. It's Pashmina by Benjamin Moore. And I like this gray blue gray. Ooh, I don't like anything gray. I like blue with gray. I don't like gray with blue. I like this trim. The trim's right cute. I mean, just for the laundry room. But I still need it to look really cute. It's not just a laundry room. I'm in there all the friggin' time. So I've just gotten back from IKEA with the cupboard doors and the hinges. I'm shooketh. Is that what the young kids say? I'm shocked at the price. When we bought our kitchen cupboards, I remember saying to Mark, I was like, they're one of the more expensive ones, but they're gonna be so easy to clean. They're like cheap now compared to these. Like, I don't get it. I think that'll look good.
Hold on. Thanks, Shirley.
So we still have to put drywall here, but we want to get a different panel with more amps. So we're just kind of waiting. So Culligan was here this afternoon and they installed a reverse osmosis and a water filter system. We've never had clear water. That's so nice. Look at that. No reverse osmosis under the sink except I think a new line. You don't have to get it under the sink. Not if you ask, because I have drawers and I said I don't have room for that. So that's good for you to know that you can ask for your reverse osmosis to be installed elsewhere. Oh, this is the system. Good golly, it's big. I hadn't seen it yet. Here's a look for you. Holy mackerel, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. So this would be your reverse osmosis. Who wants all that junk behind the bottom of their sink? Who has room for that? Not me. Like when you come into the laundry room, you know, you see that a bit, but you know, you still see the pretty cupboards first. Oh, it's a mess. Look at all the stuff. Too much stuff, too much drinks. That's why I'm getting, you know, too much sugar in my body. It's coming along. This is real life. Real life in Luba Mark's house. Always a mess, always laundry. Of course, some plants and new stuff going on all the time. Well, I just come home. Look at this. Mark is working in the yard. He's going to make the driveway wider. Because it would be some awful bad to fall down there with the car.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
God, are you having fun?
Yeah.
You did a lot of work. That's snow. This whole driveway process probably took Mark about a week to complete, but I'm so grateful that he has the skill set to do all this and that he was able to. I think it was really needed in the end. The driveway needed to be a bit wider so it would be safer. Here is a before picture. I mean, it's fine, but this is it now. It's a lot cleaner and a little before again. This is where the garbage box was. It can have somewhere to decorate. Maybe I'll put a lighthouse there. It's looking good. Yeah, it's really come along. He's done excellent. Job friggin' well done, Mark. God love you. We are gonna put a new light up, so here's a little before. And a first happen, this is for all my medium to large chested women, don't ever clip that in your paint roller next to your tits. It hurts. I got caught. It's awful. You be careful putting these paint rollers on the roller mobile or whatever it's called. And the color is blue-gray. It's actually gonna look kind of bit darker. I hope it doesn't look too gray though. There's a lot of gray and white in here. How different that looks. It's been a long time coming, but it looks really good. Still things left to do, like trim around the window, get a new electrical panel, finish that side of the wall, paint this door, get some trim around that. And the IKEA cupboards, I have some trim work I need to put around there as well. But it's come along, it's totally functional, usable. So thanks for following along on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!